2004 F350 single cab. The power steering gear has fallen off of the frame because there is no frame. Literally, there's almost no frame left. Now, ordinarily, I would have rejected this job on site 100 times. However, this guy has been rejected by every shop in town 100 times, and he's gonna fix it himself if I don't, which I would consider that more of a liability to society than actually performing the repair on this. So I did elect to take this on because I think I can do a better job at fixing this and making it safe-ish than he can. So that being said, I'm gonna repair this as best I can. But this is gonna be a rough one. But I have to do my duty for civilization on the matter. So without any ado, let's get this done. I also realized that where's the park and brake thing? There it is. Oh god, it doesn't even have. Okay, it's getting better and better. Anyway, as I was saying, I do realize that I'm going to catch a huge amount of flack for servicing this truck. I understand it's not safe and should be thrown away at the earliest opportunity, but the owner of this thing is not going to be throwing this truck away. And like I said, I figured I could fix it better than anybody else in town. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I don't want to do this job. There are far more pressing matters that I could be attending to, but it's got to be done, and it appears that I am the guy. So this is either going to work or it's not. Oh my god. So let's get this figured out. I've ordered a new set of bolts because the old bolts have become skinny. They're on the weight loss program, the oxidation weight loss program. I believe 2 of the 3 bolts have broken off and the steering gear is dangling and falling down. I'm amazed that I'm able to actually turn and drive this thing. Oh, that's the gear falling off of it again. So anyway, I have ordered a new steering gear, a new set of bolts, and a pitman arm. And I also got a hold of some plate steel, and I'm going to attempt to fabricate a frame section, and I'm going to try to fix this thing. So let's keep our fingers crossed. This is either going to work or it's not. I'm hoping I can engineer it to work again. Whoa, if I can drive it, get it to turn and stuff, go in. This is already a bad idea. What? Okay, we're in. I made it into the shop. I'm too far left. Let's try again. Now I'm fully well aware that this thing is a liability of some sorts. There's somebody out there who will attempt to fix this, and like I said, I think I could do a better job than they can. So I'm gonna make this thing my mission for the day. It doesn't really fit. I need to pull the mirrors in. Park. Stay. Okay. So, all that being said, stay tuned, because this is either going to be a colossal failure or a phenomenal success. But time will tell. Let's get started. Powering down. I don't know, it might not get that far. The frame could break in half when I go to lift this thing up. This is bad. Oh, dang. Yep. Oh well. Oh, nice. It's got a high performance non-exhaust system. This is good stuff right here. Wow. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. It just folds in half like an accordion. All right, something happened. I heard some clicks, and they didn't sound like good clicks either. Oh, I see some frame on the floor. Well, yeah, it's still there. Okay. Nice. All right, let's go up some more. See what happens. Okay, I think whatever was gonna break is already broken. I think that's far enough. Yeah. Okay. All right. So here was my plan, and you'll see why I said was in a moment. See, I was going to take this piece of 1/4-inch plate steel and cut it to fit and make a scab right here on the frame rail, maybe like there, and then the other piece right there, drill the holes in there and just shore all this up some, maybe tack it on in a couple spots to you know, just kind of reinforce whatever's left right here. But when I got down under and saw the inside of the frame, I have changed my mind, because there is zero structure left to support this. The whole frame has collapsed and is no longer there. I can't even attempt to make a repair on this. People are gonna be mad at me, but I've got to abandon this one and tell them no. There's nothing left here. It's not possible. I thought this was just C-channeled frame, but it's full box on this side right here where the steering gear goes on. Yep. Well, we're looking at the same thing here. See how that's nice and flat, and there's a full box on the frame. This side no longer has a box. It's over. It can't be done. This is 100% no. I'm gonna go wreck some people's days. This guy's gonna be mad at me. Well, there's no sense in cutting this off right now. Let's at least take a tour of what's going on here. Let's see just how bad the rest of it is. Yeah, yep. Over here on the passenger side, we can see holes opening up. There's nothing left. Yep, pieces flaking off up here. Look at that. I mean, this stuff, that's whatever. It's not really structural right there. The rest of it, that's a problem. This is a big problem. Ooh, nice. Look at the cross members for the bed. Oh, let me set up some. This is good. Hey, the cat converter's in good shape. Oh, look at that, yeah. Eric, what do you do when you get one of these? I'm officially rejecting this, but I would love for you to chime in on this thing. That's nice. I kind of want to have a load of rocks dumped in the bed just to see what happens. Wow, okay, next cross member back. It's not even here anymore. It has completely fallen and rusted away. It's gone. Yep. This is great. Wow. I mean, I spent a year up in Detroit, and some of the stuff we saw wasn't even this bad. This is phenomenal. I wonder if we drove it into the ocean. Yeah, the leaf spring shackles, those are in similar condition. Yeah, originally we just thought the bolts had broken due to rust on that steering gear, and that it needed bolts and maybe a little bit of reinforcement, but this is beyond savable, at least for my skill level. I can do a frame swap on it. Maybe I should sell him a new frame. Done it before, I'll do it again. Uh-oh. Our lift kit wasn't very well thought out. That's skill right there. Okay, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see all of you on the next one. Have a great day. See you guys later. I don't know. What? No. What? Execute the Ford?
No, you said snub you.
That's a figure of speech, not necessarily a reference to a snub nose.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like rifles anyway. I don't usually use this term, but this shitbox is leaving. Yep, there it is. I said it. Do not drive your truck in salt water.